Good morning to one and all. Welcome students, welcome to my class Vinayaga Max Class 10. So, in today's class, we are going to see the real numbers, exercise 1.1, continuations of the sum. So, what is the question here? Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. What is Euclid division lemma formula? Whereas a equal to b cube plus r. When the number a divided by b, the b should be not equal to 0, and then the remainder we will be getting any of the form. So we are going to see here, let x be any integer and y equal to 3. It is related with cube. So we are going to assume it as 3 by Euclid division algorithm. X equal to 3q plus r, where the quotient should be greater than or equal to 0. R takes the value that should be less than the assuming number. So the assumed number here is 3. So R, the remainder we are going to take it as 0, 1, 2. Whereas R greater than equal to 0. So R must be less than 3. Therefore, putting the value for R, x equal to 3q. X equal to 3q plus 1, consecutive 3 even numbers. Then what will be the next number? X equal to 3q plus 2. Now, by taking the cube of all the 3 expansions, so what is nothing but that? X cube we are going to consider, and then here we are going to consider 3q the whole cube, 3q plus 1 the whole cube, 3q plus 2 the whole cube. So, when r equal to 0, x cube equal to 3q cube. What is 3 cubes? 3 multiplied by 3 times 27q cube. So when you take 9 common outside, it is, so we are going to consider this 3q cube as m. So it is of the form m equal to 3 cube means what? So what will be the form here? 3q cube, we are considering it as m. So x equal to 9m we got first. Then in case 2, when r equal to 0, the consecutive values we are going to give. So then what will be the next value for r? The r should be 1. So x cube equal to 3 cube plus 1 the whole cube. So I hope you are all familiar with this identity. A plus b the whole cube. So what is a plus b the whole cube? The whole expansion. It is a cube plus b cube, then 3a square b plus 3a square b. Then what will be the remaining terms? Plus 3 plus 3a b square. Now using this identity, we are going to substitute these values. Now we are going to assume this 3q as a and then 1 as b. So after substituting in this formula, we will be getting it as 27q cube plus 1 the whole cube is 1 plus 3 into a square. 3q the whole square. So 3 into 9 q square, so 27 q square plus 3 a. 3 into 3q is 9q into 1, so which is 9q. Now here when you see 27, again here 27, again here one more 9. All these numbers will be coming under 9 table. So we are going to take 9 common outside. The remaining terms we are going to consider it as m. So when r equal to 1, it is, we are getting the format in the form of x cube equal to 9m plus 1. No, so you can cross check it. When you multiply with 9 inside, you should be getting this expansion 27q cube plus 9q plus 27q square. Now what will be the case 3 condition when r equal to 2? X cube equal to 3q plus 2 the whole cube. So again using the same expansion, what we will be getting 27q cube plus 3 into a square, 3 into 9 into 9q square into 2. We will be getting it as 54q square. Then 3 into 3q into 2 square, which is 4. When you multiply 3 into 9q, 3 into 3q into 2 square, which is nothing but 4. So 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 36 cube, and then 2 cube is 2 multiplied with 3 times, it is 8. Taking 9 as common factor, we get x cube. So from this term 27, 54, 36, we are taking the term 9 outside. So the remaining terms we are 3q square. When you take 9 outside, again here 6 times are 9, then here 4 times are 9. So added with 8. 8 is a different term, so we are going to keep it as aside. So when you consider, so what we are going to consider this one as, we are going to assume it as m. So x cube equal to 9m plus 8. Therefore, from all the 3 cases explained above, it is proved that whether we are getting the question format, the cube of any positive numbers is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. I hope this class will be very useful to you all. So in the remaining, those who have missed out the remaining classes, you can go and subscribe my channel. You will be getting my videos, and then the explanations of the formulas. It will be very useful for you all to score good marks. So do practice and succeed in your life. Thank you all. Subscribe my channel. Please share it to your friends. Thank you all. The link will be given, so you can go to that videos for the previous sums. Thank you all.